saya nak minta, please rujuk dan tanya apa yang kamu buat semasa kamu jadi kerajaan negeri. Jangan tabur janji buta. Show us what you have done when you had the power to govern the state and the federal. Simple. Pasal pada saya itu yang kita minta. Jangan cakap banyak. Jangan cakap banyak. Semua nak ceramah, nak bising, nak jerit, nak bakar segalanya. Don't waste our time. It's time to resolve problems. It's time for Sabah. It's time for our future together, and we should not allow anybody to affect, to disturb, to denigrate. Simple.